Natang ini apa kenika topik by David Jean Piaget mah kenika teori. Kenika teori yang Jean Piaget mah kalau kau important paham mah. Te ngansa pen iya piki MCQ by David kenika topik mah Jean Piaget. Te kemau ba Jean Piaget udon satu liki stage benkong kenika sensory motor stage kedai snam mah 2 years. Ketika ketika pre-operational stage kedai 2 to 7 years. Ke number 3 kedai concrete operational stage ni kedai 7 to 11 years. Ke number 4 kedai formal operational stage kedai 12 year above. Ketika teori juga pikir mo kalau kau important bahasa dari mereka Mtet juga paper 1 berka paper 2 tu ngini page kita kaki MCQ ke bede berkenika topik mo jungmu Jean Piaget. Tong ini apa je kabaning kong according to Piaget, which stage is characterized by the development of object performance. Tek ansar hangne kedeka stage baning kong mo kedai asar di nomor C kedai sensory motor stage. Teng ini apa sekarang question number 2 kong. In the pre-operational stage, children typically exhibit which of the following characteristics? Ini asal kedai ecocentrism semua. Ini pre-operational stage kedai ecocentrism. Number 3 kong. Which of the following is a key milestone of the concrete operational stage? Ini asal di nomor C mo conservations. Kenapa bagi kini haka stage kebaning kong the use of symbol kadai haka sensi motor stage. Kini stage number 2 kini abstract thinking kini kadai pre-operational stage mo. Kan question number 4 kong. What age range does the formal option stage typically cover? Teknika formal option stage omno kadai 11 year and older. Number 5 Piaget stage of cognitive development occur in which order? Te hangne kadai answer kadai number B. Te kadai sensory motor stage te arkon ka pre-operational stage kuasa concrete optional baka kadika formal operationals. Sekarang question number 9 kong. What does the term schema refer to in the Piaget theory? Take answer kadika number C, a mental framework for understanding information. The question number 10 kong, which of the following are best described assimilation in Piaget theory? The answer kadika number C, incorporating new information into existing schema. Number 8 kong, what is accommodation according to Piaget? Take answer kadika number B, creating new schema or modifying all one in response to new informations. Number 10 kong, which tag is used to test concentration in children? Answer kadika number B, water glass experiments. Number 11 kong, ecocentrism in the pre-operational stage is best demonstrated by which tags? Technically answer kadai number C, 3 mountain tags. Number 4 kong, which stage is associated with logical thinking about concrete events? Ini answer kadai number C, mau kadai concrete operationals. Number R, hypothetical deductive reasonings first appear in which stage? Ini kadika stage mo kadika formal operational stage. Number what is typical age range for the pre-operational stage ini kedai are the 2 to 7 years. Teknika number sabong during which stage do infant develop goal-directed behavior. Teknika answer ni ketika number A kali sensory motor mo ni kali the number kat san kong which of the following is not a key concept in Piaget theory. Teknik answer ketika number B kali scaffolding mo. Ketika scaffolding la ai da uni Vygotsky theory mo. Dengan sabata yapi hakawai ka next video pang kenika Vygotsky theory mo. Pasangan nomor 1 according to Piaget, which stage involved understanding the concept of reversibility? Teknik ketika concrete operational stage mo. Makanya which of the following is a characteristics of the formal operational stage? Haka formal operational stage mo ketika last stage ketika ability to think logically about abstract idea. Number which of the following best represent a child in the sensory motor stage? The sensory motor stage kemau bah kini answer kede number C kede a child who search for a toy hidden under a blanket. Kendai in Piaget theory, what is equilibration? The answer kede number B. The balance between assimilation and accommodation. What cognitive limitation is typically in the pre-operational stage? Take answer number C. Difficulty understanding the viewpoint of other. Which of the following is an example of concentrations? Answer number A. Focusing on the height of liquid in a glass, ignoring weight. Number what is the primary focus of the concrete operational stage? Tika dasar kedeka. Number logical operationals on a tangible object. Number according to Piaget, what does a child begin to use in the pre-operational stage? The answer kedeka number C language and mental imaginary. The question number fulai Tekanika number hypothetical thinking. Kan hypothetical thinking kelah apakah formal option stage. Tekanika number B object manipulation hani kedik apakah sensory motor stage mo. Tekanika number C kira language and mental imaginary kedik pre-optional stage kedik deductive logic apakah concrete operational stage. In which stage do children develop the ability to mentally reverse action? Stage concrete operational stage. What is the A not B a role and in which stage is it in? Take answer number B. Choosing incorrect location despite visible heading sensory motor